Benjamin Asare onye akokwa odidi wi a ode na no twitwi fom owon kaye Benjamin Asare ye nipa a wo hwe na owon kaye because enko bi wo ho a nyame ni dru sam pempenso we no ka onka se obi aye bibia ma ne kra da e wo na brabom and the ma Benjamin Asare any Shatta Wale story no eye deep ema me nie well currently after Ghana ni England match ope player ne kania so nyame atonsu agu ne mode ne moso a eye Benjamin Asare. No two ways about that. If we are seeing na edia dance here globally, Ghana player here can wasem kese eye Benjamin Asare. Eye Ghana goalkeeper no. Ofri Accra House of Folk. Because oye local keeper and oye nsenkyereni ewo international platform so. Ne kanya so ama oye ne hwia enye den enye ye. Okay. Good. Now, ye can celebrities are, whether we like it or not. Now, Benjamin Asare, abeka because the rest can always add their name to the best. And until now, ye can Black Stars history. Untimi Benjamin Asare din ye den in film. Wa foso edini din abeka. Okay, or trendy. And as a celebrity in Ghana, also person who show appreciation eche Benjamin Asare. Very simple. Benjamin Asare pictures be brave or online. Ubetima post bi. Or videos be brave or online. Ubetima post bi. Now one my simple caption akoda was starting school class 1 krabetima tia say Benjamin Asare. Kudos Benjamin Asare fire. One emojis be simple average person be hu a obetia say ebia Benjamin Asare modern Bonah all bono. Also when he saw now endorse it as a Ghanaian celebrity. Which is very nice. A feeling can be anyone. But se o pese o kotso bibia eye idiomatic expression and say literature ansa na se bi yate ase be di kobo bakutia bi ni sa subliminal sa. And no trese there be Benjamin Asare shine na nyankopon e dia ma no how and you pese o tap into the shine na eja. No, Benjamin Asare shine we no. Say ba bontina a celebrity abeka bibia fa ho a. Yempe any subliminal and say any decoded message bia. And penifo say adia any dance no asema any dance ni etwa ho bi ane ye de ya dance. Wonu masem ebe bi ehu say Benjamin Asare mpempen so na wadru no eya wo de and say you wish say enka eye wo. Eye very simple. Very, very simple. And until Miss Ramo, a celebrity now o ba bonten, abeka bibia for Benjamin Asare ho a. O hwe na oni bibia kan no tum ne post ni picture kwa. Na mom no, ube use subliminal any bibi a yantwema. Eno de yantwema. Eno de yenyina be hu se empempenso na nyame de yenua na kodru no how. Na o pese o tap into the blessing. Na o de ye wade. Na o de nya eyeballs. Very, very simple. Tie. No. Asia. Secondly, Benjamin Asare, ye nyina enim ne affiliation to Shatta Wale. And me share Benjamin Asare interview no, oka asembi. O se Shatta Wale enu masem tienye. Shatta Wale lifestyle. Amani hope for a very long time. Na Wale nyom any ensemne Wale lifestyle no and only idea I'm motivating is I'm na bedru and so na wadru no. Very simple. If you say one of the most expensive commodities what Ghana hope. And until I suffer for no mubi I take advantage now. Sundays no more hope no my church members no. Okay, sorry sansam na catch on hope ma ahotoswo. Say ade we pem koso ebeyeye ye kwa sorry asansem no na yetie Shatta Wale lifestyle so wo hwe no obrabo no ye de me kwa agime bia ni ho a yire ho don't give up pem ko wanim men so bibia challenges ne be but ko is like a pastor preaching and according to Benjamin Asare no onye akoko a odidi wi ode na no twitwi fom. Benjamin Asare onye akoko a odidi wi a ode na no twitwi fom. Owon kaye. Benjamin Asare ye nipa a wo hwe na owon kaye because enko obi wo ho a nyame ni duru sam pempenso we no. Ka onka se obi aye bibia ma ne kra da e wona brabom. And the Benjamin Asare any Shatta Wale story no eye deep ema menie. On say utie Benjamin Asare convo ni nyina. One can say on Shatta Wale kura physical interaction so. The guy was just vibing on the energy of Shatta Wale. And you know how ungrateful people are. Obetimi e yusu bibi e dia be kese but obeye kese wi a obeka se otwa asini. But Benjamin Asare wa anya sa. And we are musician na said the Benjamin Asare esi e show Shatta Wale signs any SM any ne love ne affiliation our world cup stage now a musician now per se be a Benjamin Asare e bi ma wa e very simple and penifo say otwe anko ne ngoma ko e tietietia but e me yusu Benjamin Asare fame no emfa me boy kutia eno de ye ntwema ho ube yusu Benjamin Asare edin ene ni greatness ebe boy kutia ye ntwema eno no ye nyina ebe hu se no sabi who a problem when it comes to greatness who a problem say nyankopon echira obi foforo Ghana uye ni pass ade ne a house spirit untimi say nyawa untimi because Benjamin Asare yinim no wa show na affiliation sabi wo hwa na braba wa bra ankasa anuti eni diem empempenso na nyame de Benjamin Asare aduru no mema obi amfa ne baye bia ankokyekere no moma ne nwene ne ho we a celebrity now person can one sema be can be the and me say most of the celebrities are celebrating him e be posting pictures sabi sister Fiakra say oba no jollof amano obi so oba talk a channel obi man phones e be man contract e be man for simple but menya wo say diabroni afena be isu Benjamin Asare fame no e dia be kan wa asem bi te say debi papa debi eno de nya de be twema eno de sabi oh yeah celebrity now we make it that mistake ye be show mienu obenyansafo eno ti nyame ya adoma ye next match ye ni Croatia Benjamin Asare say ye nyina ye mra together na ye mompa ye mfanta o machi na omuntimi enwe sa match no na anigye emra Ghana me last words nie u kotwa bet na ebi a video bi ne wahu bibi ne wahu post bi ne wahu a mesra o say research into that post a video akọ pe original video no full video ko hwe video ne ti ase ansa na wagina post bi so tweet bi so video kitwa bi so now do sika akọ bet mu. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyakopon shao na until the new show. I'm out.